It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. The Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.
We're going to make it, well, somebody dropped off a box, and we are going to make a time machine, and with junk and stuff.
Things you may need: a ruler, props, a pencil, box cutter, scissors, tape, tinfoil, and a hot glue gun. You will also need a copy of Stephen Hawking's A Brief History of Time and a 1976 mint-in-box Maskatron.
60 paint. And you could take your cat or your dog inside. What animal do you have in your show?
Fun for the whole family.
Make sure to take breaks! After you paint the box, you will put anything you want. So the systems, this tube, the light bulb, and this thing. This is called a nunjule. And we have it as the tube, but it's called the nunjule. This is my gunnel and my nunjule. We're making a time machine, Lily. And Dad has made some stuff, but it's my turn to do it. This is our sun thing. What's this again?
That's the control center.
This is my control center, and this is the phone.
Mm-hmm.
So I can speak to my friends.
Let's pretend.
Hey, Dad, do you know anything where I'm going?
I don't think that's how that phone works. You're supposed to talk in the bottom part and listen on the top part.
Hey, Dad, I'll talk from the bottom part. You talk from the top part. Hey, Dad, do you know anything you know? No, son. What? 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 No! What? No! This is a timer, so I'm going back a million years. So I need to find a million. A million.
Did you find a million?
A million.
What are you going to find when you go back a million years, Leo?
I'm going to find dinosaurs. I'm going back in time to a million years ago.
Put it on the shelf.
It's time for me to leave my whale. Bye! I'm going to shoot some videos of dinosaurs.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.